Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the best offerings in the world of above-ground pools. The INTEX 26701EH Prism Frame Premium Swimming Pool Set. If you're looking to transform your backyard into a summer oasis, this pool might just be the perfect fit for you. Let's explore why. The INTEX 26701EH Prism Frame Premium Swimming Pool Set stands out as a top choice in its category. It's designed for easy setup and durability, making it ideal for families looking to enjoy the summer months without the hassle of a permanent pool. You can have this pool up and ready for water in just 30 minutes, thanks to its innovative design and sturdy powder-coated steel tubing. With a diameter of 10 feet and a depth of 30 inches, this pool holds up to 1,185 gallons of water, providing ample space for relaxation and play. Made from super tough puncture-resistant 3-ply PVC material, it's built to withstand the rigors of regular use and offers a patch kit for easy repairs. Featuring a composite T-joint system that prevents internal rust formation, this pool ensures long-lasting performance even in various weather conditions. Equipped with a 330 GPH cartridge filter pump that includes hydro-aeration technology, this pool ensures improved water circulation, filtration, and clarity. It's not just about durability and ease of setup. This pool delivers on value for money, providing a cost-effective way to enjoy the benefits of a backyard pool. Its compact size makes it perfect for smaller outdoor spaces while still offering ample room for relaxation and recreation. The included filtration system enhances water quality, ensuring a cleaner and more enjoyable swimming experience for you and your family. If you're in the market for a reliable, easy-to-assemble, and durable above-ground swimming pool, the INTEX 26701EH Prism Frame Premium Swimming Pool Set should definitely be at the top of your list. It's designed to bring you summer fun year after year, making it a standout choice in its category. That wraps up our overview of this fantastic product. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and insights from Product Critique. Until next time, happy swimming!